In this video, we're going to look at how to add users to your admin tenant. And we're also going to look at how to add users to your customer tenant. And we'll talk about the difference between those two. So this is the admin dashboard. And if you want to add somebody to the admin dashboard from your own organization, this only works for people in your own organization if you're an admin. You'll go to settings, and the first thing that shows up is this admin users and roles. So these are people, if you're going to add somebody here, these, for the most part, are going to be people who will have access to everything you're seeing here. They'll have access to all of your tenants, the app builder. They can create and publish apps to your customers. So they'll also be able to add new tenants, add users to tenants. The way that you add somebody here is just by clicking on Add a User. You enter their email. You select the role. There are a lot of roles to choose from, and we have an article, I believe it's the next article that you can click on that shows you what all of these different roles are and what they mean and what they have access to. And then you choose the license type and you send the invite. Once you send the invite, you'll have a little blue box here that says invited. And at any point, if you need to change the role, reset the password, or delete the user, you can do that right from here. So again, anybody who you add on this page will have access to a lot more than if you were to add them from your own customer tenant. So you as the admin, you have the admin tenant, but you also are able to log into the customer dashboard to consume the platform. So that's where you'll go if you want to use the secure chat, if you want to just use the community apps and any automations that you built for your own customer, for your own company. That's what this tenant is. So you can see I have the demo tenant, that's my company tenant. I can click on that. A use case for this would be, let's say you have an intern working for you for the summer and you don't want them to have access to all of your customers and billing and everything. You wouldn't want to make them an admin. You could make them a client admin. So everything they do is within the four walls of this tenant. They don't have access to other customers. You can do the same thing. You add a user, you enter their email address, you select the role, and then you select the license type, and you send an invite. Again, you'll be able to change any of the information here. You can delete them, and all of that, anybody who's added here only has access to the customer dashboard. Now you notice that these two emails were also on the admin side. So if you add a user from your organization as an admin under the admin tenant, they automatically populate over here as a client admin on your customer tenant. So just keep that in mind. That's to make sure that anybody who's added on the admin side can also consume the platform, like the chat and the automations.